Okay, now I am going to run the backend application. For that, I have to export the Flask app. Then I'm going to run the Flask, this one, and after that, I'm going to verify if actually deployed or not. So let's do that. Just clear all of this to export the Flask app to app.py. After that, I just have to Flask run dash dash host the wildcard 0.0.0.0, and I can just keep it running in here. Hit enter. Okay, so it's saying it's running. Let me just duplicate this step for my front end. In the meantime, let's keep it running. So let's verify if actually successfully ran or not. So this is my front end plus back end. Copy the API before. Now go to the new tab. We know that our backend are from 5000. If I hit enter, I should be able to see hello world. It means it's successfully deployed. So now backend is now deployed.